How to create new YouTube video playlist. So let's begin the video. Once you logged into YouTube Studio, you need to click the Create button in the top bar. Next, select New Playlist tab. And in this playlist pop-up, add all the information about YouTube video playlist. Add an appropriate and relatable title in this title section. And a brief description of the playlist in this description section. Next, if you want the playlist to be visible to everyone, select Public among the three options. And below, click the Add Videos button to add the videos to the new YouTube playlist. You can select the videos you want to add to the new YouTube playlist and click the Done button. And again, click Create button in the bottom. The new YouTube playlist has been created. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.